happy Wednesday. Today we are going to be doing some more addition and subtraction problems, but we're going to be focusing on explaining our work and why we know it's correct. So let's go watch our visual learning video to get started.
What does it mean to make a math argument? It means to answer correctly and to explain your thinking clearly and completely so that someone else can understand it. Does 1 more than 6 plus 6 have the same sum as 6 plus 7? Make a math argument. How can you make a math argument and show your work? Use pictures, words, or numbers to make a math argument and show your work.
I can draw pictures and write equations.
Which shows a near doubles fact for 6 plus 6?
Select your answer.
Well, 6 plus 4, 4 is 2 less. 6 plus 7, 7 is 1 more. And 6 plus 9, 9 is 3 more. So the closest one is 6 plus 7.
6 plus 6 is a doubles fact, and 6 plus 7 is a near doubles fact. Since we know that 6 plus 6 is a doubles fact, let's show 6 plus 6 equals 12. We know that 6 plus 7 is a near doubles fact. Let's show 6 plus 7 equals 13. 6 plus 7 is just 1 more than 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 equals 12. 1 more is 6 plus 7, and 6 plus 7 equals 13. How do the pictures help make this a good math argument?
Well, the pictures really help show our work and help us explain why we know our answer is correct.
The pictures make the explanation easier to understand. What facts do the pictures show? 6 plus 6 equals 12, and 6 plus 7 equals 13. You can also use words or numbers and symbols to make your math argument. Both math arguments are clear and make sense.
Okay, before we do our problems together, make sure you have your workbook and your pencil and that you're on page 60. Okay, so if you need to pause it, go ahead and then come back and hit play and we'll keep going. Okay, let's look at the guided practice problem together. It says use the picture to help you solve the problem. Then use words and numbers to make a math argument. Okay, so today we're going to be doing some arguing in our math, which means we're explaining how we know our answer is correct. The problem is the sum of 9 plus 5 the same as the sum of 10 plus 4? Okay, so let's see, this has 9, remember I said to look at the picture first, plus 5. Okay, so they gave us this picture, but we should draw our own picture so that we can show 10 plus 4. I'm going to draw a 10 frame over here. Okay, I drew my 10 frames. Now let's find out what our answer to 9 plus 5 is. See, so 9, I'm going to count on 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so 9 plus 5 equals 14. Now I'm going to draw a picture for 10 plus 4. Okay, I did 10 and 4. So let's count on to find our answer. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 10 plus 4 more also equals 14. So we got the same answer, okay? So now we can explain how we know that the sum of 9 plus 5 is the same as the sum of 10 plus 4. So we can say yes. And one way to explain what we did is to show that if you take one counter from here and you move it up there, look at that, friends. Our pictures are the same, aren't they? So if we We can say I can move one counter up to make a 10. So 9 plus 5 becomes 10 plus 4. They both equal 14. Okay, so see how we explained how we can show that 9 plus 5 has the same sum as 10 plus 4? We can show by drawing two pictures and comparing them, or like they did, we can show that if you move one of these counters up here, you just took 9 plus 5 and you made it into 10 plus 4. See how our picture makes it the exact same? Isn't that cool? Okay, we're not going to do the do you understand problem. We're going to go watch another video and then do a couple more problems together.
I don't like to argue, except when it comes to math. Like this. Is 1 more than 5 plus 5 the same thing as 5 plus 6? Well, that's a really good question. Let's use pictures to find out. Let's put up counters to show 5 plus 5 plus 1. Let's count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5 plus 5 plus 1 equals 11. Now let's show 5 plus 6. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We get the same answer. And you can even use words and numbers to make your argument. It's always a great thing to get the right answer. But it's even better when you can defend how you got there.
Okay, let's go to the next page. Okay, let's look at number 2. It says solve each problem. Use words, pictures, and numbers to make a math argument. Lynn had 14 grapes. She ate 8 of them. She wants to eat 6 more grapes. Will Lynn have enough grapes? Okay, so she starts out with 14 grapes. That's our total. Now, because I want to talk about the total number of grapes, I'm going to draw a bar diagram. Remember, the bar diagram helps us see the parts of our number and how we can add it up or break it down. So I'm going to put 14 at the top because that's my total. Okay, now I have 2 parts. Now we know that one part is the part of the grapes that she ate, which is 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we know that she ate 8 of the grapes. Now if we do 14 minus 8 to see how many grapes are left, well, let's see, 14 minus 8. I'm going to use my 10 frames real quickly to do this problem. So 14 counters. I have 14 counters on my 10 frames, and I'm going to cross off 8 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see how many I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 left. So 14 grapes minus 8 grapes equals 6 grapes. Oh, that's a big 6. So I know that this other part has to be 6. Okay, now let's explain how we did our work. So we have to answer the question, will Lynn have enough grapes if she wants to eat 6 more? She had 14 to start with, she ate 8 grapes, and she has 6 left. So if she wants to eat 6 more grapes, does she have enough? Yes, she does. I know that 14 minus 8 equals 6. And 6 plus 8 equals 14 are related facts. Lynn will have enough grapes. Okay, I want you to do number 3. Let me read it to you first. The Lions scored 11 runs in a baseball game. The Tigers scored 7 runs. Did the Tigers score 3 fewer runs than the Lions? Explain. So this might take you a few minutes, and that's okay, but pause the video, go try this problem by yourself, and then come back and hit play, and we'll check your work together. Okay, let's look at our problem. So we know that the Lions scored 11 runs. I'm going to draw a picture. So I'm going to draw 11 boxes. Okay, I drew 11 boxes to show my 11 runs that the Lions made. So these are the Lions. Now it says the Tigers scored 7 runs. So I'm going to use these same boxes and I'm just going to put an X in 7 of them. And let's see how many more are left. So 1, I'm just going to do a line. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are the runs for the Tigers. Okay. Now let's see how many are left. I see 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the Lions scored 4 more runs than the Tigers. So let's see what the question is. Did the Tigers score 3 fewer runs? So fewer means however many less. So they scored 4 less than Lions, not 3, okay? So let's explain our answer. I'm gonna say no. I crossed off the runs, the Tigers runs, and there were 4 fewer runs than the Lions. So we could see that they scored 4 fewer runs, not 3 fewer. Let's turn the page and do 2 more problems together. Okay, let's look at number 6. First, before we do our problem, we have to read this part up here. Puppies sold. The Sunset Pet Store sells puppies. The table, this is our table, shows how many puppies were sold Monday through Thursday. So we have the numbers for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So we're gonna look at number 6 though. It says write an equation to find the total number of puppies sold on Tuesday and Wednesday. So if we're gonna find the total number, we need to do addition. So Tuesday, they sold 10 puppies. So 10 plus Wednesday. How many did they sell on Wednesday? 7. I'm gonna circle these 2 numbers so we know. They sold 7 on Wednesday. Okay. I know that 10 plus 7 equals 17. And now down here, I'm just gonna explain. There were 17 puppies sold on Tuesday and Wednesday. Now I want you to do number 7 by yourself. It says solve the problem, use words, pictures, and numbers to explain your work and thinking. Okay, now they want you to actually solve this problem up here, okay? So here is what it says. It says, is the total number of puppies sold on Tuesday and Wednesday less than the number of puppies sold on Monday? So they sold 16 on Monday and they sold 17 on Tuesday and Wednesday. So is the number that they sold on Tuesday and Wednesday less than the number they sold on Monday? Now you might look at it and go, well, they sold 17 on Tuesday and Wednesday and only 16 on Monday. So it's not less, it's more. But I want you to explain how you know that, okay? So draw a picture, use words and numbers, and explain your work and thinking, and then I'll come back and I'll tell you what I think. Okay, so here's what I did. I drew 2 10 frames. I drew a 10 frame for the number of puppies sold on Wednesday, which was 7, and a 10 frame for the number of puppies sold on Tuesday, which was 10. Okay, we already did this problem and we did 10 plus 7 equals 17 up here, but I wanted to show my work. So I'm gonna say no, 10 plus 7 equals 17. On Tuesday and Wednesday, 17 puppies were sold. 16 puppies were sold on Monday. 17 is greater than 16 since they both have 1 10 and 7 is greater than 6. Okay. So that's how I explained why 17 puppies sold on Wednesday and Tuesday is greater than 16 puppies sold on Monday. Nice job, friends. You have officially finished your last new math lesson for our first topic of the school year. So good job, you guys. You have a few things to do today for your assignment, okay? In your workbook, you just need to do numbers 4 and 5, okay? Just number 4 and 5. And then go do your quick check and then spend some time on Math Facts Pro today, okay? You're gonna come back tomorrow and we're gonna review everything that we've learned so far in math so you are ready to go for your test on Friday, okay? So I'll see you back here tomorrow. Bye.